Question number 3 has A and B parts. And the A part reads, we should calculate the value of P if the distance between this point to this point is 5. Okay, let us apply distance formula to calculate the value of P, right? The distance formula is defined as D, which stands for the distance, equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 all squared, then plus y2 minus y1 also squared. So let us declare these terms. This point, let me call it x1, this should be y1, this is x2, this is y2, while 5 is the distance. So let's substitute. Therefore 5, which is the distance, is equal to the square root of x2 is 5 minus x1 is p all squared. Then we add y2, which is 9, minus y1, which is 5 all squared. From here we can square both sides in order to clear the square root. Therefore the left hand side squared will be 25. This is 5 minus p squared. Let us expand it. 5 squared is 25. Then p squared. Then minus 2 times 5 times p is 10p. Then plus 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 4 squared is 16. 25 can cancel 25. Therefore we can write this as p squared minus 10p plus 16 equal to 0. Now let us think of two numbers that we can multiply together to get 16 and add together to get negative 10, and the numbers are negative 2 and negative 8. So we have p minus 2 multiplied by p minus 8 equal to 0. We're going to set each of these factors to be 0. The first one, p minus 2 equal to 0, which implies that p is equal to 2. And the second one, p minus 8 equal to 0, which implies that p is equal to 8. Therefore, p could either be 2 or 8. And hence, this is the solution to the first problem. Now let us move on to the second problem, which is the B part. The B part, we are asked to find the acute angle between two lines whose slopes are 12 and 2/5. To find that angle, we are going to use this formula. Tan of that angle that we are looking for, let us call it theta, is equal to the absolute value of m1, which stands for the first slope, minus m2, the second slope, divided by 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. So this is the formula we are going to apply here in order to find this angle. Now let us substitute. Tan of the angle we're looking for is equal to, let's call this one m1, and this should be m2. Therefore we have 12 minus 2 divided by 5. We're going to divide this by 1 plus 12 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 in an absolute form, right? If you take 5 and multiply by 12, you're going to obtain 60. And 60 minus 2 is 58. So this is equal to 58 divided by 5. Let me use this division sign. And here we have 12 times 2, which is 24 divided by 5. So altogether we have 1 plus 24 divided by 5. We don't have to use absolute value because I realize all these values are positive values. So if you simplify this, you're going to obtain 5 multiplied by 1, which is 5 plus 24, which is 29. We have 29 divided by 5. This is equal to 58 divide by 5, also divide by 29, divide by 5. So you can divide denominator and numerator separately because denominators are the same. So this is exactly equal to 58 divided by 29, which is equal to 2, right? But remember, we are looking for tangent of this angle, which is equal to 2. All we have to do is to take tan inverse of both sides. So therefore, theta as required is equal to tan inverse of this value 2. And this is approximately equal to 63.44 degrees. We don't have to add other multiples of pi because we are looking for a single angle, right? So this is the solution to this problem. Now let us move on to the next one.